Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change battery sound. In the beginning, enter Play Store. Search for battery sound notification app. Install it. Then open. Tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected, disconnected, full battery and low battery. Now select sound source between audio file, ringtone and text-to-speech.
Your available balance is 478.
Disconnected.
And name your function. At the end, give it description, tap this button to save, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.